Cuid gaatje genomen. Anne sulstri. Ik wil aatje. Sorrytje. Aan een mak. Mianen. Aatje wisselenten. Dus nu. Kursachet in de show. Agus a Miùghalaigh má feasca baralista. A chu duibh fheadhainn féime tú bhíáil agus cumasach go héana chu mar beá muí sin agus a cheanthall a dúis tíirech guna saola an a thuh stré.
An lá nach sinne chan aigen bátasteach a chu nu náte. Geo beic láin a chricin slewin. Cholúas a gagan báta sin bheitsin glein héin. Yn beic tubasteach yn ymwyn sio, beic ag y matar yw cwrwyd. Sma sin, ge me glán ereb sa biacin yn cach a chéile.
Dar a char sin iawn, bhasin yw bwytio. Fa sat ffôn ac yn, bhasin i'r biag agos stw medic a chorslain. A ganyan sin, charo safadioch gwrs y bi i'r a gialt yn yw'n. Ach, stoch a gyda sin a bhasin i sirwch rwyd beic.
As Jay a dyn ffyrwch gas an Eilean fat na míltyn y flianachan, hosich at follow sy'n neuflin diach, rylin crwydel agos cyn chorman, agos gemich na tjörlich yn Mhiughalaigh an y neuke diach sy'n gaiach.
Wow, can you imagine living here?
I know, think about the lives they'd have had. They also climbed.
Yeah, although we've probably got much better gear. We are.
Yeah. This all looks pretty soft.
Yeah.
Va gaunter bi a mesg na dwylithas yn y fachge, agos gytrich byg ag fioen dyn y Eileanich rhi sreap sias na cricin mara gys iawn i'w glachgach.
Ha aatje vis mynach yn sinne streep diw agos aat yn y streep. Mich yn cie blianas yn car. Ys na rwyd yn dau, ach sinne ronach i fi sio. Sinne isirig sbarn agos stryd, agos spars gach an hal. Ach aat yn fa dris sy'n sy'n bia. Beter gai by fi streep agos. Ha nid fes yn byn hyn cha diawn o'ch leim yn y cricin le lys na ymach a fachas yn.
Mas dhèanamh streap sy'n bi, fa eich na tentich yn rygol yn arste.
Chalarach, dirach. Gun seiche ha sio. A sio hi, tyd ys facum sy'n tent yn bliona. So o'ch yn enich ar sy'n, is cho Miùghalaigh sa ha meid eisiau pwch.
Gys ar cwrgwydolf as an Eilean Mhiughalaigh sio, ga Nicky yn corum ar ciad lia hreip a hwg van leòr hiwl.
Mingulay is incredible. Such an amazing place to come. The climbing is amazing, but just being here is also really, really good adventure. Getting the boat across, staying here for a week, having everything we need, and yeah, it's just a beautiful place to be.
Le tjech o maar streap sa hai heen Roinn Eòrpa, va vis acumsin ach bei glas ar y Roinn.
One of the top 10 routes to do before you die.
Are you feeling that might be the one?
Yeah, maybe. It does sound like it's quite tricky.
Ha callach go bella súl waie slighe bel call of the sea. Agus han cwsawn dri isteach úlach agus cocalar.
A mwy cian yn i'r yes Mhiughalaigh ha strawn yn dŵn. Rwyd tomatach di chric a hesus go danyan am achas a hwn hir. Herwch gylior gwybyl yn streip strawn yn dŵn, chom ar I gen sy'n thol. Geta, cha fic yn hwlwch ag a hi gys o'r cwmwl safadche an yn arniach dyn leich.
Dar a roig sin strawn yn dŵn, dar a chwnig sin, diolch o Fhad pas a fa y myr haast. Chareit mi grael nach yn o'r sin a hwyg mysig o chiarst. Diolch o môs a fa a chwys as a rosin nesas. Be posgol hwlen, chiarst fa sin.
Ha go awn, agus. Asyn cwrdd yn ôl off rydw bic. A ferach yn rydw bic nes moegs. And it's garifes, and it's Miùghalaigh cuidioch. I think we're about ready, yeah?
Yeah? Yeah. We do it. I'm like super excited, a little bit nervous, because you can't really see the route yet.
Ys dweud yn abseil fate go bawn na cricce, fasyn yn giawler yn tlie.
Wow, ha aster I golgus, ffair esgo, halo sy'n Am draste, ha Nicky MacFhraing, agos ha eisiau tynnu Coinneach streap a leach Roinn Eòrpa. Chwn Mhiughalaigh. Sy'n plan for you.
Super psyched for the climb, it looks incredible. Yeah, it's a little bit chilly, so I'm looking forward to getting on it.
Slightly cold body language.
A little bit. But yeah, can't wait.
I'm buzzing to see you climb this. It's going to be so good.
Yeah.
Get the view of Choial to go. She can call it. You can get away with wishing is written in the cars. So Mr. Colleague still is the Heish. Yep. He colleague still is to attack him to. Right, Nicky, you're on Mingulay.
Amazing.
Fly when you're ready.
Climbing.
Choluas a háisigus Nicky suas na crice, há follis a chocomasach sa haid. Haálas móriche in haí an slíon airsta a cholannig, agus há an cáí na chhlach go bhí go cuat.
I try to take my time as much as I can on routes like that. Even when it's starting to get a little bit pumpy and I'm starting to get a bit tired, I sort of just like take a deep breath and go as steady as I can, not rushing so much that then I could end up falling off somewhere where you don't want to fall off.
Féim te délik ik rief farm na swale, brakketig met de gloesen vat oer in a hietje. De goed, krisha rushenjekal. Ach de joinjele has soenjes rollora kemesk broel in an annie.
I just try and stay calm and always remind myself that like it's okay, I could fall off here. Even if I did fall off here, it would be okay because I've got a bit of gear down there and I've got a bit of gear there. So I'm just going to keep climbing until I find more gear. Even if I would rather have some gear here, I'm just going to keep going until I can see a bit and then find a good hold and then I can relax, shake out and then put some more in. And yeah, just try and stay as relaxed as possible even when your body's sort of telling you that it's getting a little bit tired.
Charlotte.
Len me sin Nicky chun na bhíle, ach fan jerevast haast rídíirich mis rukimich talú séisfach. Get a gasig na grimmen in na bevóh ach jaar erst, gasig in klien is kasje. Gimme met je wie lua.
Hameis ní bheith cíideach nach de garich mé urenach na uignes, a riamh mar a garich mé ar a gáilh Nicky MacFhraing. Tá me sé mácail. Ba mé ddíireach a méon súil creice as ciúm na mara.
Le cíarich na haiche drutje garn, Roinn Nicky an grach an chlie bharrachd.
Oh, that was an amazing route. Yeah, that was one of the wildest routes I've ever done. Yeah, the last pitch was a bit easier. Super juggy, really, really nice. First pitch was a little bit more tricky. Took a bit of time, got a little bit nervous at one place. But yeah, it was amazing. Getting nervous when it's like that. Sometimes you get a bit like shaky, and just then I was starting to get a little bit shaky because I was a bit pumped, just coming through the crux there. And then I was getting hot and sweaty and a bit scared. And then carried on through, and then found some more jugs and some more gear, and it was all good.
Len Nicky ik Miùghalaigh Roinn an Dhan, go ma chumil sabaltje Eòrpa. Len me a dúnsí na hiramach go nach agus rotn an town fóim.
Oh, Nicky, that was incredible.
That was so good, high five!
I forgot it was windy up here. Oh, that's just ma. Yeah. Sinnach gon téchus be téjin slíon bear roinn me sé riamh as sa bharrachd an bharrachd. Some dinner, perhaps.
Yeah, sounds good to me.
Let's do it. I'll jump up, yeah.